If you live in Decatur, listen up. Applications are now open for rental and utility assistance. Today, Governor Kay Ivey announced Decatur is one of 4 cities to receive COVID-19 recovery grants. It's for people impacted by the pandemic since March of last year. The Community Action Partnership of North Alabama will facilitate the funds in partnership with the city. $750,000 will be allocated to Decatur.
So we've opened the door for some new families to benefit from these monies, and those that really are in need because of COVID and have been affected by the pandemic.
For more on eligibility and how to apply, visit rocketcitynow.com.